So welcome to UK News. Today we have news that husband killed wife on luxury cruise ship because she would not stop laughing at him. Kenneth Manzanares was charged with 39-year-old Kirsty's brutal murder after a witness discovered the couple's cabin room splattered with blood. One witness said they saw Kirsty picture on the floor covered in blood. A man killed his wife on a cruise ship because she would not stop laughing at him, according to FBI documents. Kenneth Manzanares was charged with 39-year-old Kirsty's murder after a witness discovered the couple's room splattered with blood. The pair from Utah, U.S. were brought Princess Cruises ship to Alaska on Tuesday night when the killing occurred, ABC News reports. According to the FBI Special Agent Manzanares, security and medical personnel responded to an incident. The cabin occupied by the Manzanareses approached the Emerald Princess on Tuesday just after 9 p.m. local time. Kennedy was found with a severe head wound and pronounced dead and sane, according to court documents. A security officer on board and the boat told the investigators he noticed blood on Mr Manzanares' hands and clothing. According to the affidavit, the officer placed a man in handcuffs and detained him in an adjoining cabin. The security officer told the investigator other witnesses had entered the cabin earlier and seen blood everywhere. One witness said that he saw the woman lying on the floor covered in blood, and then when he asked Kenneth what had happened, he said she would not stop laughing at me. Later, when Manzanares was being processed during a search by a FBI for physical evidence, his parents stated my wife is over. Agent Weston said. Manzanares attended the first court appearance on Tuesday afternoon. His preliminary hearing was scheduled for August 10, and judge did not grant him bail. His statement submitted by international reality company Kirsty works for said, "It is with every heavy heart and great sadness that we announce the ultimately passing a member of our real estate family. We will miss Kenty's vibrant personality, welcomes my kind heart and compassion for everyone she met." Thank you very much for listening to the UK News. Please subscribe our channel to get more news. Thank you.